Hey, what's up, G? Today I'm going to show you how to download a video from TikTok or Facebook or Instagram. But YouTube is not part, because of copyright issue. So YouTube is not part. But aside this social media, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and any app or any place where you can download a video from, I'm going to show you step by step so that I can download a video without a watermark. You understand? If you want to become a blogger or you want to become a blogger, you want to post a people video, because sometimes when you download a video from TikTok, you see the person logo is on it. So I'm going to show you download the person video without the person logo or the name on the video. So this is a practical way. So if you are here for the first time, please can subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Bese me chiro kwen obe fa so download video. Oh, I see. Once the video is not allowed to download, but me chiro kwen obe fa so download the video without a watermark, and I said without the person logo on it. So enko pay video betimi a download na de actual any video bi an bese me chiro kwen obe fa so download the video without enko me pay video bi. Okay, so video a month for 74.1k likes. Okay, where is download? Wait, my download. Okay, okay. No, you should say video. You download this video. Okay, a very nice topic, man. If for Baba download this video, what I say, a very nice topic, man. Ube for ube miasa arrow no so. Oh, once arrow na no, ube miaso keke. So miaso I mean already my download a video download no. Into ube ko straight ube mia bibia WhatsApp no, ube scroll akọ the other side, what I say. Normally ube to download I say down on say or downloader, but on the place here. Into between akọ say no about more no mia more no so me video download and dada anti sanity ti edo ko straight video download what a video downloader. So we need video downloader, guys. So we need video downloader ko download fast is until when you we what was the second one there, quick share and video downloader and no catch no. So we need video downloader ko download. But as I say na logo ni tie no boss me no order that into another me boss video no e dey me ba video downloader I download video no fefe amame. So we need bia ko download and it's simple. And a video downloader no we no watermarks no bibia the answer ensure na actually go top on pay, but no TikTok logo yanko show video. Any new way video ni or the yes and download them. Say o person o download with watermark or bebo infinity. O person o download image with me download by a PC and no watermarks the enco. On say download. On say download very simple. Yes, simple. Do ni bia ko download what I say any video bia bet me download video bia but want me download video being free YouTube. Okay, so go back to maybe a download video ni yanko share videos download my download videos be TikTok, Twitter, Instagram with me download video. Okay, ni if for me share video no watermarks what I say with my post or a pencil or Instagram and so Facebook page just like that. Just simple. And one so see you in the next video.